Family, today we're coming to you from the 6th Annual Festival of Motoring here at the Kyalami Grand Prix Circuit in Midrand. And today you with me is Yusuf Tim from Rims Online. Hi Yusuf.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, and you?
Very well, thanks for having me.
Awesome. Tell us more about your brand and product that you have here.
Okay, so we known as Rims Online. .co.za. We supply original and aftermarket original wheels for most types of vehicles. We specialize in the vehicles that are on my t-shirt here, the high-end vehicles, Porsche, Ferrari, Lambo, that kind of thing. But we can technically get you a wheel for any vehicle. But we obviously specialize in these. It's easier for us. We've got better context in the industry.
Yeah. And where do we purchase your product? Or where
okay, so we started off as an online store. So the guys can go onto the website wherever they're located in the world or in South Africa for that matter, rimsonline.co.za. They can purchase it on the website and we'll ship it to them free of charge. Or they can come to the physical shop. That's in 225 Beyersnodje. That's in Cressa, Johannesburg.
Okay. And how is your experience so far at the Festival of Motoring? I know it's day 3 already and we're nearing the end, but how was your experience?
It's been brilliant. We've managed to network with lots of industry players, people like yourself, other car tuning guys, that kind of thing. And there's lots of people that literally drove past our shop in Randburg and were either too afraid to approach us or just never knew what we're up to. And the fact that they've now brushed shoulders with us here at the show makes things so much easier.
Yeah.
So our experience overall has been brilliant.
Okay. And why do you think it is important or beneficial to exhibit at the Festival of Motoring?
Look, the car industry in South Africa and globally in that matter is growing, right? If you look at the Dubai car scene, the South African car scene is not at that level as yet, but we're slowly but surely getting there.
Yeah.
There's a few Bugattis that live in South Africa, a few Paganis. So it goes to show that people love cars all around the world.
Yeah.
And it's good to be here because people that love cars will generally come to the show.
Yes.
And it's like-minded people thinking alike, and meeting each other.
Sharing the passion, yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for doing this interview and for sharing that with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you guys have a good one.
You too.
Okay, bye.
And thank you viewers for watching, liking, commenting and sharing our content. Until next time, goodbye.